As you know by the title, nandito tayo ngayon sa vape. Aga-aga natin. So, ayan. Ngayon nakapila na tayo. So, we're first in line. Good day everyone, this is Ferdy and welcome to the vlog. In this episode, we are going to hook Vape in collaboration with Crocs and Supreme in collaboration with Apex Twin. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you do so to be updated on our latest videos. So, hintay-hintay lang tayo muna ngayon. So, sa nakikita nyo guys, mahaba na yung pila dito. Parang, kailan lang nangyari ito? Parang Supreme. So, ayan, hanggang likod ko. Unahin natin yung pinakabagong release ng vape na collection. This is the Sakura Collection. Japan exclusive mostly yung mga designs. So, ayan yung makikita natin dito. Sakura 3T. Ayan. Embroidered yung vape. And this one, na-feature ko na pala sila nung Friday. So, ito yung actual na shirts. Ang gaganda. Baby Milo and Baby Lisa in white. Ito naman yung back print nung isa. So, they also have navy. Ayan. Sakura 3T. Embroidered din yung nape area niya. So, yan yung navy. Ito naman yung black. Unti lang yung design sila sa navy, no? Yung black medyo marami. Ayan. Ganda ng Sakura collection nila for this year. Gustong gusto ko yung parang space. And kitang-kita nyo yung details na to. Yung petals. Ganda. So, vape in lukewarm water. Slogan ng vape. Ayan naman yung black counterpart na Sakura 3T. Baby Milo and Baby Lisa once again. Ayan. So, they even have this trail camo. They've replaced the ABC camo with this pattern. Okay rin naman. Reminds me of those neighborhood na collaboration before. Parehas lang kasi yun. And, ayan. We have the brown colorway. Ayan. Maganda yung execution ng ng color na to. Para sa akin. I'm not a fan of brown though. Mas gusto ko pa rin yung neighborhood collab. Ayan, but still, napakaganda. They even have the green one. Pero onti lang yung selection nila dito sa green. Mga t-shirt lang. Ayan. Tapos, ito naman yung black. Ayan. Black and ABC camo green. Ito naman yung kailang relaxed fit na shirt. And crew neck. Ayan. Ape shall never kill ape. Ito yung mga, ayun, may neighborhood pala dito. This is a restock by the way. Available pa rin dito. So, ito yung sinasabi ko. Ayan. Ayan yung tag nila. And then, we have this caps. Dito naman sa accessories, meron tayong glow-in-the-dark keychain. Big camera lighter. Ayan, iPhone cases. And they've restocked this Japan exclusive t-shirts. Ito yung pinakaunang vape shirt ko. Nag-restock sila. Yung mga store nandun. Baby Milo. Japan exclusive. Ayan. Nihon. Or Japan. Japan vape na black. Okay rin to actually. And yung black counterpart ng t-shirt ko dati. Ganda. Ayan. So, ito naman yung Baby Milo nila. Yan yung mga t-shirt nila for this week. Meron din silang vape Crocs. So, pakita ko lang. Ngayon, nandito na tayo sa Atmos. They have this newly released Air Max DN8s and that's their retail price. 25,300 yen. And as you can see, they have the red ones, the black ones, the neon. Neon yung air bubble niya, as you can see. And iridescent swoosh. Air Max branding at the back. They also have the olive and the beige. So, tingnan natin kung ano pang meron sa loob. Meron pa pala sila ditong Adidas. Not familiar with this one. Adi Star Pose Women's. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. I do not know why people sleep on this. Kamukha niya yung Air Jordan 185 Breads na high. Kaya lang ito low top. Parehas sila ng build quality. Air Jordan 1 Low OG Retro. Ayan, remake yun nung 1985 version. Kaya lang low top. And ayan, selection nila ng Jordans. Dito pala sa DN8, meron silang branding dyan. Ngayon ko napansin. Sa midfoot area. Midsole. And ito naman yung lumang version nila. Ayan, Air Max DNs. ACGs, Adidas, Salomons, New Balances, On Cloud, and kung ano-ano pa dyan. Ayan, Gore-Tex. Nandito pa rin yung classic na XT6. So, napakasarap din yan sa paa. Ayan. Maganda yung blue na nandun sa gitna, no? Hokas dun sa kaliwa. Daming Hokas, pero not familiar with the comfort. Tingin ko sobrang komportable din nun. And ayan yung mga iba pa lang selections. Oh, not to mention this one, triple black On Cloud. Ayan. So, see you na lang sa part 2.